to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-generations ukuthi ke yini ongayilindela njengoba ke kuqala ke uJune. Well guys, kune storyline ke esilokhu nje sivela but ke abantu abaningi abanga-understand ukuthi ke kwenzakalani. Indaba ke kaKamohelo noKiya kanye ke noKhumo. Kanti kahle guys kwenzekalani kubaba kaKamohelo. So he's been trying ukuthola ukuthi kwi-past kwenzekalani because bekanganayo ke relationship with ifamily yakubo kaMloyi ngoba uma wakhe bengafuni ke ahlanganyele ke nabo. So kuba sengazi ukuthi kunento eyenziwa uKiya benoKhumo laphana ke kubaba kaKamohelo. So guys uzozama ngayo yonke indlela uKamohelo ukuthi alithole iqiniso ukuthi ke kwenzakalani ke kubaba wakhe, and uzolithola Nkosi yami, uzolithola iqiniso. Kodwa manje meselitholile it gonna be difficult, bathi ke uKamohelo it will be difficult for him to cope with what he knows. Ngiyacabanga guys ukuthi laba bo2 bambulala lo baba lo, mhlambe wem-abuser uKiya or kwenzekalani, we don't know, because phela uKiya guys une history yokuthi ke waye dlwengulwa ke ubaba wakhe ke umzalayo. So I don't think ukuthi ke kwaku possible for her ukuthi ke a stick with relationship noma ahlale any other abuse because of that situation. So I think ukuthi ke uKiya wambulala ke ubaba kaKamohelo, and uKamohelo uzokuthola lokho ukuthi uzokwenzani ngemva kwalokho. Hayi mina wena guys, I don't know ukuthi yini ke azoyenza, but nje iqiniso lizophuma and kuzoba nzima ke for Olusi ke guys, noma kuzoba nzima for umama wakhe ke uKiya ukuthi ke bayilungisa kanjani le ndaba yokuthi ke lo mfana lo usiyalazi ke iqiniso leli ke sine safuna ukwazi ukuthi ke lithini iqiniso, but ke hayi ngisola ukuthi bambulala straight. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave a comment below and share your opinion. Bye.